Dreaming. Come on, answer. Answer. Come on. It's not answering. Hey, Grandma. Happy birthday. Yep. I'm at my house. I'm doing great. Yep. Not much. Just, staying at home. Yep. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I'm doing great. Yeah. No, I'm actually at, home. What? This is Jake. Yeah. Who? Oh, no, this is Jake. Silly Grandma. Yeah. Yeah? Alright, I love you. No. Okay. Alright. Love you too. Bye. My grandma, she's a hoot. Oh, Sean. Oh my god. Oh, she's... Hey, you guys like my new haircut? You like it? Nice, huh? Yeah. Yeah, my brother's bad. He dyed his hair black, you know, right here. Oh, no, I gotta fix my hair. Oh, I gotta fix it. It's all black. Got his lip pierced like a little gay. That's what gay kids do. Him and Eric are gonna make out and they're gonna get caught and they're like, oh!